Advantages and disadvantages of social media prepared by All About Education. What is social media? Social media refers to the means of interactions among people in which they create, share, and/or exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and networks. Top 10 advantages of social media. In the digital era, the advantages of social media are indisputable, wielding influence across diverse aspects of our lives. From fostering global connectivity to serving as a powerful marketing tool, social media transcends geographical boundaries, bringing people together and reshaping the way we communicate. Exploring these advantages underscores the transformative role social media plays in shaping our interconnected world. 1. Staying connected. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat facilitate easy communication across geographical barriers and time zones. They allow people to stay connected with friends, family members, acquaintances, colleagues and even celebrities seamlessly. Features like messaging, photo, video sharing and groups help nurture relationships. 2. Access to news and current events. Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and other platforms have emerged as real-time news sources providing instant updates on happenings from around the world. This facilitates access to breaking news and helps people stay informed on current events as they unfold. These platforms also enable people to easily share news and views. 3. Platform for personal branding. Social networks like LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram allow professionals to promote their skills, services, accomplishments and products to a wider audience and build their brand. Influencers leverage these channels to foster thoughts, establish leadership and monetize their following. 4. Business and marketing opportunity. Companies utilize social media for market research on consumer preferences and feedback. It provides a venue for increasing brand awareness through promotions and engagement with customers. Many brands also leverage social media platforms for lead generation, sales and customer retention through dedicated business pages and community building. 5. Convenience and ease of access. Messaging apps like WhatsApp offer a convenient way for people to communicate with each other via chats and video, voice calls. Social media apps provide information accessibility, news and entertainment at users' fingertips, anytime and anywhere through their smart devices. This makes staying socially connected on the go easier than ever before. 6. Fosters innovation and learning. The diversity of views, ideas and latest innovations shared by experts and thought leaders on social media channels sparks creativity among users. The discovery of share-worthy content and global perspectives facilitated by social media also nurtures lifelong learning for people who leverage these tools mindfully. 7. Provides entertainment. From accessing the latest music videos on YouTube, watching mini-movies on Instagram Reels, and Facebook videos to sharing viral jokes and memes, social media facilitates entertainment consumption. Channels like TikTok have gained popularity solely for entertainment via short videos and clips. 8. Platform for societal change. By enabling discussions and coordination on a mass scale, social media has driven positive movements for societal change like the Arab Spring Revolution, anti-corruption protests in India and the #MeToo campaign. Global connectivity and information sharing abilities make social media potentially useful. 9. Promotes skill development. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook groups and other video, image sharing platforms enable users to learn new skills by accessing instructional videos, posts, and live streams on cooking, arts, design, academics and more niche interests. The availability of specialized skill-building content empowers self-learning. 10. Supplement to education. Students and academics actively use social networking platforms for collaboration, knowledge sharing, accessing the latest research and study resources as well as promoting scientific initiatives. Educators supplement classroom teaching with social media tools for increased student engagement. Top 10 disadvantages of social media. While social media has brought about numerous benefits and opportunities for connectivity, it also comes with its share of disadvantages. Here are the top 10 disadvantages of social media. 1. Distraction and loss of productivity. Excessive social platform usage during work or study hours leads to reduced productivity. 2. Spread of misinformation. Circulation of fake news, propaganda and unverified data through viral posts and messages can misguide users. 3. Compromised privacy and data vulnerabilities. Oversharing personal information and data thefts compromises user privacy and exposes them to fraud. 4. Promotes superficial connections. The use of social networks to make fake connections rather than meaningful relationships can be detrimental. 5. Social media addiction. Excessive checking of notifications and mindless scrolling creates addictive behavior, impeding real-life relationships and well-being. 6. Enables bullying and harassment. Trolling, public humiliation and harassment of individuals including celebrities is made easy by anonymous accounts. 7. Promotes social isolation. Spending excessive time on social networking can reduce in-person interactions, communication and sociability, leading to isolation. 8. Causes depression and anxiety. Studies have revealed that social media usage is associated with low self-esteem, anxiety, and depression, especially among teenagers. 9. Promotes obsessive self-presentation. Focusing excessively on presenting perfect selfies and posts for likes and comments triggers unrealistic comparisons with others, propagating anxiety. 10. Helps spread scams and frauds. Fake news, phishing attacks and Ponzi schemes can easily spread through social channels, causing financial fraud. In conclusion, social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, offering new opportunities for online communication, digital marketing, and social networking.